Alright, so we got a winter storm coming. Let me flip this around so I can see better. We got a winter storm coming. Winter Storm Leon. It's already started. Not too much so far. It's been snowing for about maybe 20-30 minutes. And this is what we've gotten so far. And I'm hoping you could actually see the snow. It's not snowing real heavy right now, but it's going to pick up. We're slated to get between 6 and 12 inches here in Norfolk. You can see the road's already kind of turning white over there. And there's the dog pissing on the fence. So I'm going to be doing more of these videos as the night progresses. I've already got off work tomorrow. That was determined before it even hit noon, before it even started snowing here. I'm trying to see the clock inside. It's like just not even 5:20 yet, or 17:20 for you military types, as one of my duty section leaders would say. So, yeah, those are covered. Roof, well, it usually looks white anyway. And the dog's peeing on the recycle bin. Thanks, dog. So, yep. You can see it up there on the roof of the pool house. So, I am going to be doing more of these videos as the night goes on. So, a quick change of plans. I decided not to, go out and shoot some video every, so often. But I remembered I have a GoPro. So what I'm going to do is I have it set to take a picture every 60 seconds. So I'm mounting it here on my window. I've got it aimed out over the yard. It's at a wide angle, and it's going to take a picture every 60 seconds. First one is going to be of my smiling face. So, there we go. Alright, you can see what time it is. For those of you who don't know how to read military time, that would be 8:40. So we're going out to have a cigarette. This is about an hour after I've finished the time lapse. And as you can see, there is a lot of snow on the ground. Well, a lot for, thanks dog. Oh, a lot for the area that we're in. Roads are completely covered. I know that's just a cul-de-sac. Going back out. And then coming over here. And yep, road's completely covered. Camera's not even wanting to focus. A little bit ago we were in near whiteout conditions, but it's slowed down a little bit. There's probably about, 3 inches? Yeah, probably about 3 inches. I'm going to shoot more video in the morning, because this is supposed to be going on until, tomorrow.
There's your answer.
Yeah. So there's that much snow on the ground. Regular cigarette. For size comparison. So I'm gonna stop this part of the video, and I'll shoot some more in the morning. Alright. It's after midnight. It's like 12:30 something, 12:38. Yeah. that's a significant amount of snow for this area. And it's still coming down. We shall see how much there is when I actually get up tomorrow, or later today, whenever that's going to be. Because normally I'm sawing wood right now. Yep. Yep. I can't sleep, so I'm gonna try in a bit. But yeah. And it's still coming down, not showing any signs of letting up anytime soon. There's the trash cans. You can see how piled up they are.
I got you good, didn't I, dog?
And then let's go look out front. I'm gonna go this way because there's snow on the floor over there. Hey, look up. Move your ass. Yep. Cars are covered. It's kind of funny. Kind of cuts off because of the way the wind's blowing. Heard a car moving out, or a truck or something moving out there earlier, but they ain't plowed, and I doubt they will. Yep. And now it's 8:51 in the morning. It has finally stopped snowing. The winter storm warning has been canceled. It was originally supposed to go until 4 p.m. today. As you can see, there's a significant amount of snow on the ground. There's people digging out. The road has not been plowed, and I do not expect it to be. Now we go to the front. Sorry about my voice, I literally just got up. Yeah. Let me go to this other one. There's no screen on this one. There we go. Yeah, there's the Veloster. But you look behind it, you can see that the road has not been plowed. I don't know why I live in military housing and they choose not to plow the streets over here. I guess it just ain't worth it or something. So I'm not going into work today. Was told yesterday that I'm not to really even do much travel. And if they don't plow the street, I get the feeling I'm not going to be going in tomorrow either. So, yep. So that was Winter Storm Leon. After the Hampton Roads area, Hampton Roads, Virginia, this is a significant amount of snow.